free surface is not constrained, it must be more up here and down here. So how much more is it? So typically we have a profile that looks a bit like this. It doesn't obviously go through the bed, it goes to the bed. But it might look something like that. Different profiles depending on the bed roughness, but a widely used profile would be a 1/7 power law, which we've got in the notes that are introductory to the tidal part. I think it's the first set of tidal notes. So we basically have then u as a function of z is equal to, what have we got, z plus d over d to the 1/7. Right, now that factor might be different, but that just changed the steepness of the profile. Sorry, talking me eye. So if the factor is higher, the profile is going to be steeper. If that's 1/100, it's going to be a straight line with a very thin boundary there. But that's a broadly applicable profile. Looks something like that. Okay, so if we've got a turbine down the bottom, it's going to see less velocity than the turbine near the top, which is one of the advantages of a floating structure where we have our device near the surface. Alright, so we then just want to evaluate a couple of points on this curve. So we've got a point up here and a point somewhere down here. So plugging values into this equation for -12 and -28 meters to get those 2 points. Alright, so it's just a case of looking up a depth profile. So we've got surface velocity at 3 meters per second. So this, oh sorry, I'm missing a value. So that must be u0 equals that. u0 times all of this, and then this value up here is u0. Right, so this whole plot is on a velocity scale now. We can draw another set of axes across here, and this is magnitude of velocity. Okay, so coordinate systems, I suppose, are the only sort of other part. The bed in all of this is located at z is equal to -d. So our z is counting negatively from the free surface. All right, so the bed is always at z is equal to -d, and the water depth is d equals 50. Right. So that just means that when we're near the surface, this value is larger, and when we're near the bed, it's smaller. So at the surface, we've got, so if we take our 12 case, we've got whatever that is, -12 plus 50 over 50, right, and then 1/7 for our factor. Okay, so our top point, well, if we go right to the surface, then we'd have 50 over 50, 1 to the 1/7, which is 1. So we have our surface velocity. So that becomes. Alright, so at this point, we've got, I don't know, whatever that is, 95% or something. I haven't got the value to hand. I'm not very good at 7th power laws by hand. And then that. So this comes out as what, 38 over 50 to the 7th, and then some factor. So we've got equals 3 times 3. Do we have 3 at the surface? I think we do. 3 times 38 over 50.